Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a free website with Wix. So you go to wix.com and we're going to log in or get started depending on if you have an email or not. Then you're going to go in here and sign up, and it's going to ask you some quick questions. You can choose to set it up with AI, which is cool. Okay. So let's see. I'll use them as an example. So it's going to prepare it and get it ready for you. And it's going to load it up. And this is what the dashboard looks like. You can choose to do any of these things. Okay. Continue with your business details if you'd like. You can choose to have any of that stuff. We're going to skip it. You can choose if you want to add some, and it gives you, what's really cool is it gives you kind of like templates, and you can go in here and change it. And then you can decide if you want to put any kind of staff, or I'm in Starbucks if it's loud. You can choose any of these. How cool are these options? They have so many fabulous features in here for free. We're going to go to the dashboard. It's going to load it with all of the new things you've just asked. Wix is amazing. You can go here and set up your pay. You can get pay links, checkouts, all of that for free. You can even have a booking calendar for free. Isn't that cool? You can track your sales. You can also go and make your own app. Isn't that cool? For free. It's very cool. Love this place. I love Wix. All right, so now we're going to click Design Site. You can pick template, generate design, or kind of do your own setup. We're going to just use that for an example. It already Googled, or it already searched dog groomer, which is really cool. And then now you have all these beautiful templates to choose from. How neat is that? So as you look through, you can find one you like. I'm going to go with this one, but you can click View and see if you like it. It'll give you a view of what it really looks like. It's got a video. That's cool. And then it goes and pops up. You go through. This is a cute little layout. Testimonials. It's got a lot of motion. You can go through and look at the About Us pages. It already has some pages built. I love that you can also see the mobile. Isn't that cool? And it automatically edits it for the mobile so that it looks good, makes sense. You know, you can go in here and change stuff. So now you can actually click Edit the Site if you want to use this. Now it's going to add the different things that you checked off. It's going to add the bookings, and it's going to add the payments. Isn't that cool? You'll be able to have your own digital product shop if you selected that. You can take payments in person. Amazing. So many cool things. And it's like super easy. So out that. Then you can go in and edit things. Go in and type in whatever you want it to say. You can come in here. You can go through and make it look the way you want it to look. You can go through, see which one you like. Highlight it, make it bigger, make it smaller, which is really neat. Change the color. You can go in here. You can also delete it. Like if I don't want that, right, I can delete that. Okay. Now you can add all kinds of different things. I call them elements. Look how many awesome things there are. You can add all this stuff. They've got some already set up for you. You can click these and put in paragraphs. This is so cool. Collapsible text is awesome. So you can do like the read more, show more. How neat. All kinds of stuff. And they've got all these free apps. So like to typewrite animation. These go along the top, which is really cool. For example, got this. Then we're going to come back over here. So click Add Elements +sign. You've got images, icons, buttons. It's fabulous. You've got images. You can upload your own. You can create some. You can add logos. So many buttons. You can add different little strips. And they've got all of these amazing templates. Got decorative stuff, all kinds of different, isn't that neat? You've got different boxes, gallery, different gallery options, menu. You can go add your own menu. If you want a different kind of menu, you can go in here and add that. New forms. How neat is that? All of these different forms pop up, subscribe, etc. Different videos and music. You can put in that cool. You can put in automatic. They already have some here for you to use. Interactive things, which is really cool. So these are things you can click left and right, like slides, and all kinds of different interactive, like hover boxes, which is really cool. You can see how it changes. Isn't that neat? So you don't have to be a graphic design expert to utilize beautiful things. So list has all these different lists. So like if you wanted to click your services, embed codes, you want to embed different things like a different site, and it shows you all these different things like a Google form, different social media things. So you can go and find all of these little guys. Payments, which is really cool. So if you have it set up, let's say you can set up PayPal and click the buy now. You can do order forms. Isn't that cool? That pricing plan, where did that go? Pricing plans. So many things. So many cool things. So like this one, customer management. You can add a blog page. You can create a store. You can have your bookings. Isn't that neat? So if you have courses and such, or events, or collaborations, or you do some kind of service. Isn't that cool? Oh, and this is cool too. You see the schedule? So if you have a schedule for a program like my Creative Marketing Mom program, we have a whole schedule where for my coaching calls, events, got a Disney cruise workation event this year, which is an all-inclusive cruise. And you also get live coaching with me. It's going to be fabulous. So you could put that on there. You know, they'd be able to see it. You can have different signups, all kinds of cool stuff. And events. Isn't that neat? It even has like events calendar, create tickets, manage RSVPs, cool webinars, you guys. Countdowns, so many cool things there. Menus, community, members area, you guys. All of this is free. You can create your own member-only pages. Amazing. And then you have your own custom designs if you want. So as you can see, so many awesome things. Let's see what it does. You can change all of these different sections. So instead of just elements, you can actually add like an entire section. So like they have the welcome section. You have about me section. It's really cool. And then all you have to do is click it and drop it. And now you have a beautiful about me. And you can change this. Do all the different editing, edit text. You can change the animation. Like let's say, and it shows you, isn't that neat? It shows you the animation so you can choose which one you want. So cool. Let's see. You can add a link, and then it'll give you a whole bunch of options. If you want to add a link, you click link, and then you can choose which page it goes to. And there's so many cool options. You can send it to another, web address. Like if you have a specific checkout page that is hosted elsewhere, like Thrivecart or something, it can be a section. So if you want to say like join our, get your freebie, it can take it all the way down to the bottom where the sign up is, or a separate page, opt-in page, whatever you like. It'll, if you want to send it to the bottom, you want it to go to a document, like a Google Drive document, you want them to be able to email you. If you're like, if you're interested in this service, contact me, send me an email. It'll, you click it, it'll open up a new email for them to send to you. If you want them to call, you can put in a phone number or a light box, which is kind of like this thing. It's very, very cool. You can change the SEO stuff if you know what that's about. And so you can pick different things. How neat is it? It has your booking page. It's so cool. So let's say we want it to be book online, and we click done. So you could click, you double click, and you can change the text. So now it says get groomed. You can change the design. You can have it like automatic. You can decide if you want it like this. So there's lots of cool things. I'm going to go here. You can decide the layout. So you can have it go to the left, the middle, whatnot. You have this really cool animation effects option. So if you want it to come down, blur, turn, expand, or make it smaller, etc. That was kind of cool. You can choose if you want it to loop, which is where it goes around, or whatever. If you want it to turn as you scroll, which is pretty cool. I don't know what that one is. So mouse effects. Isn't that neat? So as the mouse would go over, it's going to tilt it. There's so many cool things. So we'll say, do that one. That's cool. Then we're going to exit out of that. So there's a lot of stuff you can do. Just have, so you can click customize design, and then you can decide what it does. And you can change when it hovers. So you can decide if it background fills, etc. Let's say I want, it to be bigger. I want it to be, oops. I want it to be bold. I want to do, say, oops, I'm going to do black. And then put the background. Here we go. Somewhere in here. There we go, background. So let's say I want the background to be this one. And then I want this to say, so you can see, you can go and play with this. Let's see what I want to do. Make it white. I want to make this one dark black. Make it bigger. See it letting me change the font. Bold. So instead we'll just say so when they hover, it should allow me, unless it didn't save it. Oh, there we go. And see, like this one. So now when they go over to hover, it's supposed to, I guess it's only maybe when it's in preview. Let's put preview. See, boom. Isn't that neat? Back to editor. Oh, it's really, really cool. You can move things around. If for some reason you wanted this button to be somewhere else, all you have to do is click it, and then move it wherever you want. Isn't that neat? I do love that about Wix, where some have set blocks. This one you can actually just move it literally anywhere within the space. Isn't that so neat? So you can go through, do all of this. I'll show you real quick how to change images. I'm trying to remember how to change it. So you can preview that. Isn't that cool? You see the clouds? It's a video. That's really neat. So that's how you can go in and change that. So there you go. There's a lot of cool things. You add a form here, and it shows you go to form settings, form tab, create a quick form. So many cool things you can do. Then we can click publish, and it will give you your own email here. View site. Bada bing, bada boom. Pretty cool, huh? And so because it's free, the only thing you have on here that allows it to be free is this little ad. It says website was built on Wix. Most people don't even notice it or care, right? And so you still get this beautiful website for free, which is really great. Save you hundreds a year in hosting, and has an amazing array of benefits and stuff for free. So that is how you build a website on Wix. You're able to learn how to build a website and edit it. So I would love to hear how this has helped you. I'd love to see your website. You want to email me, Bianca@creativemarketingmom.com. I would love it. I'd love to hear how it went for you. Hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon.